Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fold surprise birthday card. So first you're going to need some paper and something to draw with, like a marker or a pencil. So first what you're going to do is you're going to fold your piece of paper in half. Then you're going to take this right here and you're going to fold it up to here. Like this. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a box for the present. After you draw a box like this, you're going to draw a bow on top, make it look like a present. Like this. Then right here, you're going to draw a line down. Then you're going to go over here, then you're going to draw another line down. Like this. After you finish drawing the box and the ribbon, you're going to raise up and unfold it so it's like this. Then you're going to draw lines across. Like this. And then what you can do next is you can go to this end and go down, drawing, kind of going down, and go up this side. So it's like this. And then on the line that you just drew, you're going to draw triangles, decoration. You draw the triangles. You can draw like polka dots or whatever you want on them. Doesn't matter. You can just leave them how they are. I'm going to draw some polka dots on them. The next thing you can do is you can draw some letters saying happy birthday up here, right here. So when you're done drawing happy birthday, after that, the next thing you can do is you can draw right here. You can draw coming up 2 lines on a side, here and here, like this. Then after you make them as tall as you want, you can draw a line across to connect them. So it's now a rectangle. And then up here you can do 2 more lines, but closer together. So we're making a cake here. And then you're going to connect those 2 lines. Like this. Then you can draw frosting, whatever you want. And the cake, sprinkles. I'm drawing sprinkles on here. Okay, after you finish drawing all this, what you can do is you can draw a number, any number, like if you're making it for someone, you can do any number, depends on their age. Or you can just draw a candle on top. I'm going to just draw 1 candle. It doesn't matter how many you do. It doesn't matter how old they are. This is what I did. This is how it's looking so far. And you can also draw whatever things you like. Party things. I'm like doing confetti things. Okay, this is how it looks so far. Now that's all I'm going to do. You can add as much stuff as you want. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to color. You can use whatever you want to color. I'm going to use mostly markers, maybe some pencils if I need to. So now I finished coloring all this, and this is how it looks. And that's it. So you can put that back like this, and this is how it looks. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.